welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl. I love decorating my home with style on a budget, and I love to try to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if you love home decorating and you love decorating your home with style on a budget, then this is the channel for you. So if by the end of the video you've liked what you have seen, I would hope you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. So guys, in today's video, we are going to be continuing our old house to new home series. You guys know I have been making over spaces in my home. Nothing really big. We're not doing any major renovations. We're doing it all by using decor and a little paint. You guys know that I recently did a little refresh on my kitchen. We changed out the pendant lights. They look so good in there. We got a new countertop from IKEA. Those pendant lights also came from IKEA. We put in some new decorative accessories, and the kitchen just looks so good. I love how the kitchen has turned out. So now we've moved into my loft space. And in the previous video, I painted the wall black and I absolutely loved it. But because the wall is now dark and the space is small, I also wanted to bring in some additional light. So I ordered these really large oversized mirrors, which I showed you guys. I absolutely love them in the space as well. So today we're going to continue adding new things. We're going to have a new coffee table. We're going to get a new rug. And I'm also thinking about changing out the media stands to media cabinets. I'm also thinking about maybe changing up my little New York apartment bar beverage situation over there. I'm not sure. We might leave that for a while. But today we're going to definitely do the coffee table, definitely do the rug, and do a little bit of decorating. So if you want to see how the room is going to look at the end, make sure you stay to the end. And with that, my friends, let's get decorating. All right, so finally, after a couple of weeks now, I'm ready to put the coffee table together. I gave my old coffee table to my niece, so we're going to put this one together and put it in the loft. I cannot wait. I hope I like it. Fingers crossed I do. All right, so here are the pieces of the new coffee table, and it looks like it's going to be bigger than the other one. Even though I measured and it said it was 32 inches, it looks bigger than 32 inches. All right, the first one is on to the second one. Look at our mess. Oh my gosh. But we'll get it cleaned up and then we can decorate the new coffee table. All right, so remember our curtains, you can't really see very well. They had this sheen to them. So I'm going to try these out and see how they may look.
I don't wanna be crazy no more. Every time I think you're gonna walk out of my door, I start to jump to the conclusion you don't love me no more. Babe, give me some to work with, can you just reassure me? I'll end it before it starts. Call it protecting my heart. Hurt disguised as strength, but it's
all right, we have one curtain panel up, and I must say that I like the white and black better than the solid black. I don't know, it just gives the room more personality with the striped panels. So I think I am going to leave the striped panels up and not use the solid black ones. All right, again, you guys know, I apologize for the poor lighting. It's always poor up here. But now we are going to open up our new rug. Okay, you guys know I love black and white, and so I thought this rug would work, but as you can see, it has a yellow tint, so it's cream, not black and white. It's light cream, but I got this rug on clearance, and I don't think I will be able to return it. Darn it. Why do they say something's white when it's not white? They should say cream or ivory. Not white! But anyway, this is how the rug looks here in the space. I don't know that I'm going to like it. So let's go ahead and add the coffee table back. Oh. This space. And make sure it's centered. Yeah, I don't think I really like it. Ugh. Why? Well, it will definitely give a funky, eclectic vibe, that's for sure. I don't know. All right, so I'm gonna go and try to use this area rug that we got a few years ago and see how this may look in the space. see. I think that looks okay, maybe. I like it better than the other rug, so let's live with it for a couple of days and see how we feel about it. Okay, so here is how our new coffee table is looking. Again, definitely bigger than our old one, but it works. Again, I'm going for a modern Parisian style in here, using my signature colors of black and white, of course. So we're going to style the coffee table. So I had this little setup here on the bottom, if you can see that. It was on the top, and I think I'm going to like it better on the bottom. I want to have something down there. And then I have these pieces over here that I want to use to style the top. So we'll go ahead and do that. All right, so first I want to use my David Yarrow book. Remember, we picked this up from Amazon. And because I'm going for a modern Parisian theme, I think this would look nice in here. You guys know I love my animal print, so I love the tiger. Then I think, all right, remember this vase? We picked it up from Studio McGee from Target, and then I have just added my faux florals. You guys know I love creating my faux florals, so this is one that I put together. And we are going to set it here. And then I think I want to use this black and white box to store our remotes in. And then you always have to have a candle, and I am loving this candle. This is from XO McKenna's line, and it is, the name of her candle line is Alden Lure, and this one is Arlo. So we're gonna set that here. Smells really, really nice. And then remember this piece that we thrifted. It's our big chunky ashtray. We're not using it as that. We're gonna use it as a piece of decor. So I am going to add that here to the coffee table.
I am baptized, I am alive again. Give me new life, take me to heaven.
All right, friends, so this is how the coffee table has turned out, and I absolutely love it. So I think we are going to stop here for today. I do have some other things that I want to add into this room before I give you the final reveal. So if you have enjoyed today's video content so far, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, become a member of the iStylEmystyle family. I have lots of budget-friendly decorating inspiration coming your way that you don't want to miss. So yeah, this is how the room is looking so far, and I am absolutely loving it, and I hope you do as well. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the coffee table. It is different from the black one, but I think it opens up the space so much more, and it complements our new mirrors perfectly. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And with that, my friends, I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye, guys.
Enough. I've waited as long as I've lived. Thumbs up. Come get what's yours and what's real. Boot up. Blissful in each other's skin above. Finally risen to the occasion. Past love's forgiven.